Hello everyone, welcome to Engineering Explained channel. In this session, I am going to explain the water pressure cutting with video. Water pressure cutting means here the highly pressurized water is used to cut the materials. The highly pressurized means up to 60,000 psi pressure of the water jet is used to cut the materials. This means the application of the hydraulics in the manufacturing, we can say, for the cutting of the materials. And this high pressure and precise size of the water jet is the key point for cutting up the materials. And we can say how the water can cut the materials, but here the pressurized water at a high pressure and precise size that can cut the materials. We'll see the its video how the cutting is taking place and about that uh, what are the parameters required to cut the material, and also different metals and non-metals also we can cut by using the this water pressure that I am going to explain at the end of this video. And here we can see that directly we can use the water jet for cutting of the materials. Also sometimes we can use the abrasive agent for some of the materials to cut them. Those are required the abrasive materials to cut. Here the arrangements are made for that: high pressure pipe line from the pump and water nozzle and abrasive agent addition, and sometimes the abrasive addition is not required. Then the focusing tube, that is the nozzle tube, we are going to use for cutting of the material. Here we'll see that how actually cutting is taking place. The high pressure tube which is connected to this orifice and the nozzle, and from that the water jet at a high pressure of 60,000 psi coming out, and its size is very small, and that size also I'll take at the end. Here we can see the video how the cutting will be taking place. This water jet cutting requires the pressurization of the water by using the pump and the high pressure connection pipeline and the orifice to flow the water in a precise size, and the nozzle which will direct the water for the cutting on the surface of the metal or a materials. Here the materials up to the even though smaller size of the 1 thickness, also we can use up to the 100 thickness of the materials. The different materials like the metals, that is the steel, aluminum, also we can cut, and also non-metals like composite materials, rubber, like that material also we can cut by high pressure water jet. We'll see the explanation about this, how the cutting actually is taking place and what are the different parameters are. Here in this one, this section illustrates hydraulics applications in manufacturing called water jet cutting. In simple terms, a water jet cutting system pressurizes water up to about 60,000 psi, 60,000 psi high pressure, allowing a high pressure water to flow through the diamond orifice and nozzle. The particularly specific orifice and nozzle is to be used here in order to withstand that high pressure. The orifice and nozzle allow for a precise jet of water with a diameter ranging between the 0.05 inch to the 0.010 inch. Very small, precise diameter. To exit from the system at a nozzle tip at the speeds up to 3 times the speed of the sound. This speed, you can imagine that it is a speed up to 3 times the speed of the sound, and that much higher pressure is required here. The water jet's high speed and precise location. High speed and precise location allow it to quickly and accurately cut through raw components to produce a finished parts. Like this, the cutting will be taking place. The next, any material with a consistent density can cut it, can be cut, including steel, aluminum, rubber, glass, plastics, composites, ceramics, etc. Cutting tough materials like titanium, requires adding fine mesh abrasive. The mesh of the abrasive could be added to that water jet to cut the very tough materials to cutting stream upstream of the nozzle. And here the water jet in that one, every drop which is coming out of the nozzle behaves like a bullet. That's why it's at a higher pressure and precise in size, and that's why that will cut the metals, cut the materials, and how the this hydraulics we can use this pressurized water we can use in the cutting of the material and in the manufacturing of the this components. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe the Engineering Explained channel and share and comment. Thanks once again.